Hi students, I'm Jane Freinberger and I'm your teacher for basic nutrition. I live with my husband and my dog out at Lake Wabunsee, which is south of Alma. So if you are familiar with Kansas, you may know where that is. I have a master's degree in nutrition and in in business. I'm a registered dietitian. My current job, besides teaching this course, is I work as a supervisor for the Women, Infant, Children program, the WIC program, at Riley County, which my office is in Manhattan, and I also have an office at Fort Riley. So I just want to introduce myself with a couple of bullet points, just like you'll be doing in your discussion board for Module 1. I love being active. We live out here by the lake, so we do kayaking and paddleboarding, a lot of walking. Whatever it is, I love to be outside. I also love to cook, particularly interested in Mediterranean style cooking and cooking things from scratch. Love to garden. We have lived in the past overseas, traveled with our kids and lived with our children overseas. We've lived in Africa and in Asia, in Ghana, particularly the country of Ghana and also Nepal. But we visited many other countries. I've really enjoyed more recently visiting in Europe, some relatives in Hungary and also in Austria. So that's a great part of my life that I enjoy. Our children live in Kansas City and St. Louis. We have a few grandchildren. So I've been teaching at Allen since 2011, so I've had a few years of experience here. Before that, I taught at Kansas State University in their dietetics program for a number of years. And I think the only other thing I would want to say is something that I'm looking forward to in the future, which is in the fairly near future in May. We are going to be going on a Mediterranean cruise, so really looking forward to that and kind of doing some research about that. Visiting Greece and Italy, which will be two places that I have never been before. So I love teaching online, looking forward to getting to know all of you, and I hope that you have an enjoyable time in this course. Please feel free to contact me anytime.